Greetings and good morning, in some cases good night. We got the alternative rush hour. Who's going to come out this morning? Here comes Mr. Duck. Oh, we got Benedict. Quish. Good morning. They run down to Lake in Palmer. Oh, there is Mr. Honk. And I see Smile out there. And show us Sarah, Jamie, Laurie. Oh my goodness. That was a mad one this morning. It's gone crazy, Quish. It's a crazy rush hour. They're all rushing off down to the farm. We got an Izzy there as well. Oh, Quish, keep it clean. Mr. Duck's coming out there as well. So there we have.